Do you often feel heavy in your heart, as if you can't escape from the invisible pressure and inner pain? Whether it is setbacks in life or emotional trauma, these pains seem to affect our mood all the time. However, have you ever thought that all power actually comes from our hearts? As long as we know how to discover and release this inner energy, the process of healing will no longer be difficult. One day, Buddha asked his disciple, "When you feel exhausted, where will you seek comfort?" The disciple replied, "I will seek help from the outside world and try to solve the problem." Buddha nodded and then said, "The real power is not in the outside world, but in the depths of your own heart." The source of healing and strength does not come from external material or others, but from our inner infinite wisdom and light. When we are in trouble, many people are used to seeking external support, whether it is friends, family, or material comfort. These external helps are important, but the power that can really bring lasting healing comes from our hearts. Inner peace and awareness can bring real transformation. When we learn to observe our inner world and let go of the interference of the outside world, we can find that stable and lasting power. This kind of power is not external dependence, but comes from the bottom of our hearts, so that we can remain calm and firm in the face of any challenge. Everyone has unlimited potential to heal themselves. The first step of this healing power is awareness. Be aware of our pain, emotions, and thoughts, and do not escape from them, but face them. This kind of concern for our own heart can help us see the root of the problem clearly and find a suitable solution. When we are no longer controlled by negative emotions and thoughts, we can freely choose how to respond to the challenges in life, which is a profound and lasting way of healing. We are often troubled by failures and pain in life and feel that we can't get rid of the darkness. However, when we learn to accept the current reality and no longer resist it, the healing of the soul will begin. True inner peace is not to exclude all pain, but to learn how to coexist with these pains and draw strength from them. Accepting the present means that we no longer try to change what can't be changed, but find the inner light to get ourselves out of trouble. Compassion is the core of healing the soul. When we can treat ourselves and others with compassion, our hearts will begin to become soft and powerful. This kind of compassion is not just an emotion, but also an inner practice that allows us to remain calm and tolerant in the face of pain. Compassion can not only heal ourselves, but also help others get out of the darkness and find their own light. Therefore, when we treat ourselves with compassion, we can truly begin to heal our hearts and move towards our inner strength.